sloka a day. A sloka a day keeps you free from shoka. Study the namas in each sloka. Understand their meanings. Memorize the words. Repeat them as often as you can. Recite the mantras, causing deep vibrations. Praise Him, worship Him, and prostrate yourself before Him. Meditate on the namas and the mantras. Become receptive and thus reap the fruit of divine grace. It helps you to chart out a sure and joyous journey towards eternal bliss. Swapanasvavasho vyapi.
Swapanasvavasho vyapi.
Naikatma naikakarma krita.
Naikatma naikakarmakrit.
Vatsaro vatsalo vatsi.
Vatsaro vatsalo vatsi.
Ratnagarbho dhaneshwaraha.
Ratnagarbho dhaneshwaraha.
Swapanaha.
Swapanaha.
Swavashaha.
Swavashaha.
Vyapi.
Vyapi.
Naikatma.
Naikatma.
Naikakarmakrit.
Naikakarmakrit.
Vatsaraha.
Vatsaraha.
Vatsalaha.
Vatsalaha.
Vatsi.
Vatsi.
Ratnagarbhaha.
Ratnagarbhaha.
Dhaneshwaraha.
Dhaneshwaraha.
Om Swapanaya Namaha.
Om Swapanaya Namaha.
Om Swavashaya Namaha.
Om Swavashaya Namaha.
Om Vyapine Namaha.
Om Vyapine Namaha.
Om Naikatmane Namaha.
Om Naikatmane Namaha.
Om Naikakarmakrite Namaha.
Om Naikakarmakrite Namaha.
Om Vatsaraya Namaha.
Om Vatsaraya Namaha.
Om Vatsalaya Namaha.
Om Vatsalaya Namaha.
Om Vatsine Namaha.
Om Vatsine Namaha.
Om Ratnagarbhaya Namaha.
Om Ratnagarbhaya Namaha.
Om Dhaneshwaraya Namaha.
Om Dhaneshwaraya Namaha.
With his smiling and graceful looks, he fascinates those that are dear to him. His expansiveness fills the entire world of movable and immovable entities. He energizes the gods, the demons, the Mandara mountain, and the serpent Vasuki. He manifests himself in different bodies like Brahma, the tortoise, and Mohini. He performs several functions like churning the ocean, distributing the Amrita, etc. With a view to maintain dharma, he inheres in every entity for establishing the objectives of human life. He is indeed a treasure house of wealth and splendor.